Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new document and configuring core settings, units, color mode, and DPI, so you avoid rework later. Once done, import your reference image and lock that layer. This keeps alignment steady while you trace. Make sure to set the page size to your final output, for example 1920 x 1080 for screen or A4 for print, because guides and snapping behave differently based on document setup. You now construct the vector artwork by tracing with the pen or Bezier tool and converting shapes to curves so you can edit nodes. As you build, apply fills and outlines, then store consistent looks with object styles, which speeds revisions. Once paths overlap, use combine, trim, and weld to create clean intersections. Make sure to keep elements on separate layers so you can hide or lock them while you refine complex areas. You finish by prepping files for delivery. Check color mode and add bleed if printing. Export a PDF/X for print or PNG/SVG for web using the correct DPI. Also save the native CDR as your working file. If fonts are missing on another system, convert text to curves or embed the fonts before exporting to avoid layout shifts. If an export looks off, reopen the CDR toggle layers and re-export a single problematic object to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.